Back with another video, and today I have a friend that's always on my head. Yup, Eggdog. I have Eggdog as my friend, and yeah, Eggdog is actually pretty cool, to be exact. And where are you going, Doge? Oh, there you go. Yeah, this is my new friend, Doge. Eggdog. I like to play with him. I like to float with him. With this emote. Floating. Yeah, this is a YouTube video, to be exact. And I'm innocent. For real, I'm just going to stand here and do the emote, my favorite emote. He's just looking at me. Eat. Someone has to be the mother. Ooh, she's a sheriff. Okay. It's not me.
Too sweet.
And hopefully I survive. Team him. No, no, no. Oh, God. Oh, no, 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 no. Dang it. Camper. No, she died. She's freaking camping, bro. Oh, so could get a gun. So could get the gun right now. Oh, shit. Yes. Bat. Killer, killer. Bat bird, bat bird. You had the chance. Not me. You. You had the chance. Now I'm alive. Oh yeah, and guys, I bought some stuff. You know me. And which one looks better though? Like, which one looks better? This one? This one? Or this one? Or this one? Comment down below. Which Dodge suit? Dodge jacket? Dodge hoodie? Or Dodge chill? Or regular Dodge? Which one do you choose? Oh yeah, I like that Dodge. Zoom. 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 And zoom. Yeah, I prefer this one. Let's buy some more stuff. Oh yeah, and I also bought some pants. Some Doge pants with. Ooh, I want something to match with this. Doge hoodie. Hoofy. You like the hoofy hoodie. Why is it just hoodie? Yeah, I think I found the right one. Maybe. I don't know. No, oh, wait, there is something for that. That's cool. That's very much cool. Doge, wow. I'll tell you when I find it. Guys, I found it right here. Ooh, should I buy this? Maybe, I don't know. It's out. I think I bought this one. No, I didn't. Okay. Much Doge, much wow. True. Ooh, Doge, much Doge. Yeah, I want to play already. Yeah, if you want to see the full video, go to Doge or search up Hi My Dutch Friends on YouTube. It's all capital letters to see the full video.